Hi everybody, this is Miguel Machado from Trotec Laser. Welcome to Business and Beyond. In these videos, we'll explore cool ideas in different business categories.
This week, we're going to be making products targeted for a coffee shop. If you're a Trotec customer, this is a great group of businesses you can approach to try and sell products to. Let's start with something simple, coasters. We've engraved our client's logo onto cork material and cut out the shape of the coasters. These cork coasters provide a nice rustic feel, perfect for a coffee house. Next, we've placed our logo on coffee equipment like this antique coffee grinder and glass jars to store the coffee beans. We've used our Trotec gold foil for this. We stuck the foil onto the glass, kiss cut the logo, and peeled off the excess foil. For the coffee grinder, we've just engraved directly onto the wood. We've also customized cardboard coffee sleeves by engraving our logo. It's also very simple to create custom name badges on the Trotec Laser. For this example, we've engraved our white Trotec material. We removed the 3M adhesive backing and stuck the custom name onto a bottom layer of Trolleys. We've also attached the pin back that you can buy from our web store. Next, we've made a custom patch from raw hide leather. We've engraved our logo and cut out the patches with holes onto the border in order to sew them directly onto the apron. Afterwards, we've made a custom tabletop POP display using a combination of our veneer wood and our Trotec chalkboard sticker. Just like the foil, we've applied the chalkboard sticker onto the wood and then do a full cut for our design. Now let's move on to our main sign. For the base, we've used Troglass white cast acrylic. We've kiss cut the design onto the base in order to see the positions of all the top pieces. We've used a combination of woods and colored acrylic to create our design. We removed the 3M adhesive backing from the top layers and stuck them onto the white base. Finally, we've even customized baked goods with our logo. We placed macaroons into our laser and proceeded to engrave for a unique branding application. As you can see, the Trotec Laser Machine offers a surprisingly wide variety of applications for branding opportunities in unexpected places.
Thanks for watching, and if you have new and cool business ideas, leave in the comments below, and see you guys next time.